In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image to transparent in Canva. We'll be walking through the entire process, ensuring that you have a beautiful and seamless fade that perfectly complements your design. First things first, let's go to Canva's website at canva.com. You'll want to make sure that you're logged into your Canva account so you can have access to all its features. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. It's a busy place, but don't worry. I'll guide you through what you need to do next. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu bar with various options. Go ahead and click on Templates. Since we're working with an Instagram post for this example, scroll through or just select this option to proceed. Once selected, you're going to click on Create a Blank to start with a fresh canvas. Now that you have your workspace open, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Uploads. If you've already uploaded your image before, you'll find it there. Otherwise, you might need to upload your image first. Click on your chosen image and it will be inserted into your workspace, ready for the next steps. With the image now in your workspace, you'll want to resize it appropriately. Click and hold on to the corner dots of the image and drag them outwards until you've reached the size you desire. Be mindful, though, that resizing could affect the image's quality if it's expanded too much. Once it's at the right size, make sure to position it properly within the frame. This is important as it sets up your image for the fade effect, ensuring it goes exactly where you want it. Proceeding with the effect, navigate to the side menu once more. There, click on Apps, and in the search bar that appears, type in Image Blender and press Enter. You'll want to select the first option that comes up. This is the tool you'll need for creating that fade effect. Select your image in the workspace to apply the effect. You'll be looking to use the linear option here. Once selected, you can click and drag the dots that appear to define precisely where the fade effect should start and end on your image. The controls are quite intuitive and give you the flexibility to adjust the strength and subtleness of the fade effect. As a little bonus tip, you might consider matching your background color with that of your image. It's a small touch, but it can really make your design look cohesive. Simply click on the background, then colors, to find a shade that complements your image. If there's any extra cleanup required, such as removing undesired parts of the background, use the background remover tool to tidy everything up. And there you have it, a beautifully faded image in Canva that you can proudly use in your creative projects. Happy designing!